This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting data and safety. Back up to iCloud or your computer and keep the iPad charged. Put on an ESD strap, gather pentalobe, plastic picks, suction cup, and a soft mat. Once done, power off, remove any case or SIM, and inspect ports and the display for debris or bends. Then, make a controlled opening. Use a suction cup and a plastic pick at the seam. Slow, steady pressure prevents cracking. You want access without forcing anything. You now diagnose systematically. Disconnect and visually inspect the display, battery, and digitizer ribbon connectors, then reseat them carefully. Dirty contacts can mimic failures. If the iPad won't hold charge, measure battery voltage. Replace battery when it reads below spec or shows swelling. For unresponsive software, put the device into DFU and restore using an Apple-certified cable on a reliable computer. While working, keep screws organized and note their locations so reassembly matches original grounding and shielding. You finish by reinstalling shields and connectors in reverse order. Make screws snug but avoid over-torquing, and ensure adhesive seals sit flush. Power on and run a quick checklist: touch responsiveness, cameras, Wi-Fi, sensors, and charging behavior. Once verified, restore your backup and perform an iPadOS update to stabilize software. If something goes wrong, like a boot loop or blank display, try DFU restore one more time. If that fails, a faulty connector or board-level issue likely needs a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.